The Circle Trackpad Dev Kit from Cirque comes with a startup guide, Circle Trackpads, and a development board with the Tensi 4.0 Arduino module. The kit is available in two size configurations, the 16 and 23 mm Circle Pad Dev Kit and the 35 and 40 mm Circle Pad Dev Kit. The kit also includes module holders, a USB cable, and two 6-pin flat flex cables to help you get up and running quickly. First, snap the module holders into the development board by aligning the PCB mounting holes to the module holder snap post. Take the larger sensor tray and snap it into the side with the 3 buttons. The smaller module holder will snap onto the opposite side near the Tensi Arduino module. Next, insert the flat flex cable into each Circle Trackpad. Note that the flat flex cable has 2 sides, one with the exposed 6 pins and a blue strip on the opposite side. Insert the cable so that the blue strip is facing towards the center of the trackpad. Be careful not to bend or damage the cable while inserting it. Once the flat flex cable is connected to the Circle Trackpads, slide each trackpad into its module slot. Note that the Circle Trackpads have flat sides to determine the proper orientation when sliding them into the module holder. The 6-pin connector and flat flex cable should face the inner part of the module holder. You should feel the trackpad snap into place. Now, connect the flat flex cable onto the development board 6-pin connector. The blue strip should face inwards towards the development board. Finally, plug the USB cable into the Tensi Arduino module, and you'll be ready to start working with code. Designed for maximum flexibility, the Circle Development Kit supports our full range of Circle Trackpad sizes. Additional trackpads can be purchased separately, allowing you to create a combination that best suits your projects. Cirque also provides printable 3D files for holders to accommodate each Circle Trackpad sizes, making it easy to mount, test, and prototype your design. Watch our next video for details on downloading and working on our code with GitHub. Visit cirque.com for the full user manual, Arduino environment setup instructions, and sample code for connecting to the trackpad.